Good morning, viewers. This is Nagbhushan, who is going to teach you regarding astrology. From today onwards, I would like to teach you regarding this astrology. As you see, firstly, let us know about the houses. As LA mentioned here, LA mentioned here is nothing but it is ascendant. That means Cancer ascendant, and the second house belongs to Leo, third house Virgo, fourth house Libra, fifth house Scorpio, sixth house Sagittarius, seventh house Capricorn, eighth house Aquarius, ninth house Pisces, Aries 10th house, and Taurus 11th house, and even Gemini is 12th house. Here you see, but you mainly consider that it is the one of the birth chart who is born in a certain time. But when come to the original chart, the chart starts from the Aries and Taurus, Gemini, Cancer, Leo, like this. It starts from Leo and ends with the Pisces. Here you see it is one of the model chart that I am taken. The person is born on 12:30 in the the same day, means that person can consider as a Cancer ascendant. That Cancer, the Lord ruled by Cancer is a Leo. Lord ruled by Cancer is the Moon. That Moon is situated in the third house from it, in the Virgo sign. You see that first house represent one's personality. I'd like to say about, in the first lecture of this, I'd like to say about the personality traits of the first house. First house is ruled by Moon, and the Moon is placed in the third house. That communication skills are very important for this person. Why? Because the ascendant lord was situated in the third house. And come to the aspects. So you see, Saturn, Jupiter, Mars are aspecting from the seventh house to medical ascendant, and even Jupiter is aspecting both seventh house and also ninth house. Here it is also having aspect over the ascendant house as well as ascendant lord, where he is also having aspect on the 11th house also. Why? Because Jupiter having the three aspects. One is fifth aspect, second one seventh aspect, and Jupiter having is the ninth aspect also. Due to that, the Jupiter influence is more on this personality, you can see. Why? Because you see, Jupiter is a house sixth lord, and also is a debilitated, and debilitated Jupiter is not considered the good. And you see, Jupiter is aspecting over the ascendant and ascendant lord. Due to that, it makes him weak. Where Mars is the aggressive planet, you see, for the Cancer ascendant, Mars is a yoga karaka, because he is ruling both angular house as well as Kendra house. That means Trikona house and also Kendra house. Due to that, the Mars is the yoga karaka, so his aspect is also there on the ascendant, as the Mars is exalted here and is having more influence, you can see. And to the Saturn, come to the Saturn. Saturn is the seventh lord as well as the eighth lord. Seventh lord usually good, but where is the eighth lord also, so he is giving the mixed results. When come to the other planets, there is no other aspect to the ascendant as well as ascendant lord. Why? Because you see Jupiter only having aspect over the ascendant lord and ascendant, where the sun Saturn having aspect over the ascendant lord as well as a 10th lord, 10th. Okay, from the house of 10th, you can see is 7th is having aspect over 7th house, 8th, 9th, 10th, means is having aspect over the Libra also. So this is how his personality is shaped, means to say is having the qualities of Saturn qualities, Jupiter qualities, as well as Mars qualities, and also his ascendant lord is sitting in the 3rd house. Due to that he is having a Mercurian qualities also, because the lord of the Virgo is Mercury, and you see that Mercury qualities also will be there. What is the Mercury qualities means? Communication, intelligence, and also medical speech, and all those things you can mainly see in the person. So this is what my analysis regarding the first house and personality traits on the first house. I hope you understood, and certainly it will give the light on your astrology knowledge. I hope you understood. Thank you. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and share. And also I would like to inform you regarding another houses and the traits on that houses, karakas of the houses, and everything in the forthcoming uh, lectures. Thank you, friends. I hope this video makes the impact on people, and surely I will tell you regarding astrology and the steps of astrology step by step. Let us I'll go on telling, and thereby you can understand and you yourself can able to read the charts. I hope this makes the sense. Thank you very much, and I hope you will subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.